There is inside a pump to make a steam.
Yeah.
Do you hear it?
Yes.
Morphy Richards 333-200. Speed steam is a steam generator iron that is designed to make ironing quicker and more efficient. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Speed through your ironing.
6 bar to iron the multiple layers at once. 130 grams steam to effortlessly remove creases. 230 grams steam boost to easily tackle stubborn creases. And 1.7 liters to refill less often.
Durable, easy glide Soleplate, protect against lime scales, need tidy steam and power cold storage. Let's unbox it, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Look, 333-200.
It's the number.
It's a
The
number.
model.
Oh wow, look at it.
No, I don't see nothing special here.
We have some manual here. Look at it.
That's pretty good.
2 years of warranty.
Oh, good.
Good at it.
Good enough.
It's not easy to do some ironing.
Actually,
You need to read it all and told me about this
me?
system. And we start to, wow, look at this cord.
Wow.
Very powerful. Ta-dam.
Oh, this is the iron
The
itself.
iron.
It's only the iron. Wow.
Wow,
Looks so clean.
looks so powerful,
So cold.
so cold. Locked, unlocked.
It's to put it onto a base.
Silk, wool, cotton max, and minimum heat here. Cool.
Cool. So
Yeah.
cool.
Let's unbox
The base.
the base. Water
Yeah.
pipe here.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Look, here is this powerful base.
Oh.
How it works?
I think I know.
Speed steam, it's for water maybe.
So look, you can take this out, put here water. I think so.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And look, here is the start button, the scale, select the smokes, small smoke, medium smoke and large smoke.
We recommended the use of distilled water.
Okay. And it also, you need to connect it.
To power supply.
Yes. That's actually very cool.
Let's see the plate. Look. Wow.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. It's soft.
Oh my, so flat.
Flat and soft.
It's like, you know, some seeds. It's like seeds. Like to
No, it's holes for steam.
Yeah, but it looks like seeds, like from a watermelon or something.
We need to unscrew the plate.
Oh.
Two. Oh, it's locked like this. Look. Put here and here. And
Yeah,
it's
and
locked.
then you need to this, and it's
Ah, you
lovely.
can take it like here. Wow,
Yeah.
very interesting.
For now, let's unlock and
Some
check it
part.
out. What is this?
Where it from?
My manual. Let's ask the manual.
Maybe we can see here.
So this is boiler tube attachment and boiler tube storage. So you need to put here or here or here. Pretty good.
It was like this.
No, no. Listen. Oh yes. I'm sorry.
What we need for this boiling tube? How we can use it?
I don't know. No, actually, I don't know.
I know.
Why is it like some sort of powder in here? What is this?
Maybe it's some clue
Maybe it's
from production line.
maybe it's
We will read the manual and then we will try to use it.
okay.
Okay. Fill it with water. Do not touch
Okay.
the iron.
Check this out. And we need to fill it carefully with water. Not too much.
Filter with water.
Yes.
Okay, I think it will be enough.
Yeah, me too. Put it in.
And turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened.
I think you need to unlock it first.
Look.
Oh,
yeah.
here. You just was holding.
We can choose the steam power,
What steam? This
max steam.
Max, I think we won't have.
And we have the scale button here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's like professional.
Professional.
Specialist is now selecting the mode.
Maybe it's cotton. Cotton max.
Yeah. Max cotton. My shirt was not flat. It's like squished, like a cow ate it and then throwed it.
Especially it will glide your t-shirt.
Yes.
What is it?
Maybe not.
Maybe some pump is working.
What the fuck is this?
It's blue. No, it must be hot. Yeah, it's hot. It's pump to make. There is inside a pump to make a steam.
Yeah.
Do you hear it?
Yes. Oh my god, it's hot.
Oh, we have a specialist here.
Yeah.
Right.
Let a specialist to do that.
Yeah.
You're not a specialist.
Steam it. We need a steam locomotive.
Thomas be like.
Yeah. Do you hear a pump? A pump do some water pressure.
Yes.
Cool.
It pumps the water to our iron, and then it has some, and then it is so hot that it makes the steam.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cool. Look at it.
Wow. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice.
It's hot.
What do you thought? Of course it is.
Look how it glides.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yes. Specialists in their best.
Very nice.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice.
Your t-shirt will be flat now.
As a microphone.
Ooh.
And very hot. It's like breathing. Specialists doing very professional things.
Cool.
Wow, it's so flat. It's actually very flat.
I think it's the best iron I ever see in my life.
Yes, actually. Specialist, you forgot the sleeve.
No, she did it before.
No, this one. It is not flat.
One second.
Cool.
Yeah,
It's okay
Yeah.
now.
I think so, yeah.
Your t-shirt is
Specialist, is it okay now?
No.
No?
Yes, not.
not okay. Not okay.
Okay, let's wait.
The specialist has a name. Olena.
Oh, yeah? I didn't knew that.
Olena did it very cool, yeah?
Yeah. Does this iron irons 2 times faster than the normal iron?
Yes,
Cool.
it's very good iron.
Awesome iron.
Yeah, very cool.
Very cool.
And it's very good that it has a base because lots of irons don't have a base. Like the little ones didn't have a base, I remember.
If you need to iron many things, you can use this one.
Yeah, but it's like more like for professionals. Like if you wanna make a business,
To iron something.
it's very good. We recommend it.
Do you have a business in ironing?
Yes.